Hello and welcome back to my official YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is going to be in English entirely because I'm going to talk about cricket Sri Lanka and the current situation of the Sri Lankan cricket team. Uh, I have a few friends in Sri Lanka, and growing up as a kid in the early 90s, uh, I used to follow all the Sri Lankan greats that featured in the 1996 World Cup, and the final was played here at the Kazafi Stadium. Sri Lanka lifted that trophy, and when you look back at the memories of Sri Lanka cricket, you see great and huge names like Ranatunga, Jayasuriya, Atapattu, Russell Arnold, Kumar Sangakkara, Chaminda Vas, Muralidharan. There are so many names that have brought great success to Sri Lanka cricket. But right now, unfortunately, the situation of Sri Lanka cricket is deteriorating day by day. When Mickey Arthur took over as Pakistan head coach in the year 2016, we had high hopes from him, and he kind of delivered those expectations with Champions Trophy victory and with that T20 dominancy. But later on, he was removed, and now he is heading the Sri Lankan cricket as a head coach. Uh, from the past couple of years, we have not seen Mickey replicating that success with Sri Lanka cricket, but I think there are more problems than just Mickey Arthur in Sri Lanka cricket right now. After the departure of Mahela Jayawardene and Kumar Sangakkara and Tilekaratne Dilshan as well, these three were considered as the main three giant players of Sri Lanka, along with Muralidharan and Nuwan Kulusekara, Parvez Maharoof. These players were somehow keeping Sri Lanka at the intact. They were keeping Sri Lanka intact at the higher stage. But from the past couple of years, we have not seen them performing and replicating the success they had in the early 90s or the early 2000s. They also won a T20 World Cup in the year 2014, but again it was Kumar Sangakkara and Mahela Jayawardene who actually architected that success. After that, it's so much stress and it's so much disappointment when you see Sri Lanka cricket in these situations. Now, currently, if we talk about the recent series, uh, they have lost 2-0 against Bangladesh in the ODI series. I know there is a huge range of people that would argue that Bangladesh is quite strong at home. I agree, but the way the Sri Lankan team is playing currently against Bangladesh is not something you would expect from a former world champion. So there should be some difference between Bangladesh and Sri Lanka as far as modern cricket is concerned. So Bangladesh is just rolling over the islanders at the moment, and Mushfiqur Rahim has scored his ODI century in the second match, and they have won it easily. So I don't know what is the problem with Sri Lanka cricket right now, what exactly are the problems that need to be addressed, but I can only appeal to all the higher authorities, to all the chief selectors, to all the stakeholders of Sri Lanka cricket that please do something and bring back the old Sri Lanka team back that everyone is so excited about and everybody wants to see them doing well, because they were a force to reckon with in the early 90s, and they kind of dominated the Asia Cup along with India. But of late they have been categorized in the same league as Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Zimbabwe. So this is very very disappointing. uh, I don't know if there are any backups being created, but I hope they are doing that, because there are few guys like Patum Nisanga and Vanindu Hasaranga these guys are doing well. You need to give them more time, and at the end I would say, if Mickey Arthur is going to stay for another 2 or 3 years, then you need to give him all the authority and everything that he needs, because he is someone who can bring the best out of every single player. So you need to keep the trust and believe in the process, and we all hope that we see Sri Lanka cricket back in action soon, because at the moment they are not doing really well, and as a cricket fan it saddens me really greatly. So yeah, uh, this was all I can say. My prayers and my well wishes are with Sri Lanka. There is absolutely nothing else to say, because I don't know how to end this video in English. So yeah, subscribe the channel, and tell me in the comments down below how can we help bring back Sri Lanka cricket to the forefront, and how Sri Lanka cricket can achieve the same success that they had in the 90s. So yeah, stay tuned to the Cricketia, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon again in the next video. So until then, Allah Hafiz and Pakistan Zindabad. Sri Lanka Zindabad as well.